Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you something about eclipse. This is for the assignment of 7th National Astronomy Olympiad. Hope you learned something from this video. First of all, what is eclipse? The partial or total blocking of the celestial object by another is called the eclipse. So then generally there are two types of eclipse. One is solar eclipse and another one is a lunar eclipse. There are three different types of solar eclipse as well. The first one is total solar eclipse. What is total solar eclipse? When the moon comes between the earth and the sun, then at certain part of the earth the moon totally blocks the view of the sun. So this is called total solar eclipse. There are So the things that we should note is this part where the total view is blocked, it is called umbra, and another lighter part is called penumbra. So if the viewer is watching from this part of the earth during the total solar eclipse, the sun is completely blocked in this region. Another type of solar eclipse is partial solar eclipse. The partial solar eclipse occurs when the moon is between the sun and the earth but is a bit out of distance. So in this solar eclipse, the moon casts its shadow on the earth, but the umbra region only occurs on certain part of the earth. So this type of eclipse is called partial solar eclipse. Another type of eclipse is annular solar eclipse. So what is annular solar eclipse? So annular solar eclipse is the eclipse. This occurs when the moon appears smaller than the sun as it passes centrally across the solar disk, and the bright ring or annulus of the sunlight remains visible during the eclipse. So the central part of the earth is blocked from the sunlight in this annular solar eclipse. So there is another rare type of eclipse which is also called as hybrid solar eclipse. So a hybrid solar eclipse is a rare form of solar eclipse which changes from annular to the total solar eclipse and vice versa along its path. So generally there is another type of eclipse which is also known as a lunar eclipse. So there are also generally three types of lunar eclipse: total lunar eclipse, partial lunar eclipse, and penumbral lunar eclipse. In the total lunar eclipse, the earth comes between the sun and the moon, and the total umbral region of the earth's shadow lies on the moon, totally blocking it from the sunlight. So this type of eclipse is called total lunar eclipse. Another type of eclipse is partial lunar eclipse. In this also the earth is between the sun and the moon, but only the certain part of earth umbral shadow falls in this eclipse. So only this part of the moon lies on the umbral region. So this type of eclipse is called partial lunar eclipse. Another type of eclipse is penumbral lunar eclipse. In this type of eclipse, the moon lies on the penumbral region of the earth's shadow. So the umbral region of the earth's shadow doesn't have any effect on the moon. Only the penumbral region has some effect on this moon, which is known as the penumbral lunar eclipse. So as you all may question that the sun is so much bigger than the moon, so why does the solar eclipse occur? So yes, I'm gonna tell you something about it. We know that the earth is 400 times greater in diameter than that of the moon, but still it is 400 times farther away than the moon as well. So from when we see it from the earth's surface, both the moon as well as the sun appears of the same size, causing the solar eclipse to happen. So I hope you have gained something from this video. So thank you.